Pacific Coaching Classes near 6th class Math Chapter 13 Profit and Loss Practice Set 31 compiled by Abhishwar Vansali for the Pacific Coaching Classes near. Question first. The cost price and selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was a profit or loss and how much it was. इथे आपल्याला एक टेबल दिलेला आहे. या टेबलमध्ये कॉस्ट प्राइस दिलेला आहे आणि सेलिंग प्राइस दिलेला आहे. आपल्याला आयडेंटिफाय करायचं आहे प्रॉफिट झालं तर किती झालं किंवा लॉस झाला तर किती लॉस झाला आणि तो किती झाला. जसं फॉर एक्झाम्पल पहिल्याच्यात आपल्याला दिलेला आहे द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द फर्स्ट केस. द कॉस्ट प्राइस इन अ फर्स्ट केस इज 4500 and the selling price is 5000. then how much profit or how much loss. And second one is the cost price is 4100, selling price is 4090. Third one, in the third case cost price is 700, selling price is 799. In the fourth case cost price is 1000 and selling price is 920. Solution. Cost price in the first case is 4500, selling price is equal to 5000. सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर दॅन द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस ही कॉस्ट प्राइस पेक्षा मोठी असल्यामुळं नेहमी काय होईल, देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस मायनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस किती आहे 5000. 5000 मायनस 4500 इज इक्वल टू 500 रुपीज. हे त्याचं ॲक्च्युअल प्रॉफिट राहील. इन अ सेकंड केस द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 4100 अँड सेलिंग प्राइस इज 4090. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर दॅन द सेलिंग प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस मोठी आहे सेलिंग प्राइस पेक्षा, म्हणून देयर इज अ लॉस. लॉस इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्राइस मायनस सेलिंग प्राइस. 4100 मायनस 4090, लॉस इज इक्वल टू ₹10. इन अ थर्ड केस द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 700 अँड सेलिंग प्राइस इज 799. इथं सेलिंग प्राइस मोठी आहे कॉस्ट प्राइस पेक्षा, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ 100% प्रॉफिटच गेन करणार. सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर दॅन द कॉस्ट प्राइस, देअरफॉर देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस मायनस कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 799 मायनस 700 इज इक्वल टू 99 रुपीज. इन अ फोर्थ केस कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 1000 रुपीज, सेलिंग प्राइस इज 920. इथेच आपल्याला डोळ्यांनी दिसते एखादी वस्तू आपल्याला आणण्यापर्यंत 1000 रुपये खर्च लागला आणि ती 920 रुपयात विकली तर आपल्याला नक्की काय होणार, लॉसच होणार. Cost price is greater than the selling price, therefore we acquire the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price is equal to 1000 minus 920 is equal to 80 rupees. We acquired the 80 rupees loss. मग इथे काय होतं, फर्स्ट केस मध्ये 4500 आणि सेलिंग प्राइस होती 5000. सेलिंग प्राइस ही मोठी होती कॉस्ट प्राइस पेक्षा, म्हणून कॉस्ट सेलिंग प्राइस मधून कॉस्ट प्राइस मायनस केली आणि त्याचा आन्सर आलं 500. इथं सेलिंग प्राइस मोठी आहे कॉस्ट प्राइस छोटी आहे, म्हणजे इथे प्रॉफिट झालं असेल. आणि किती झालं असेल, 5000 मायनस 4500 म्हणजेच 500. सेकंड केस मध्ये काय झालं होतं, कॉस्ट प्राइस होती 4100 आणि सेलिंग प्राइस होती 4090. म्हणजेच काय होतं, कॉस्ट प्राइस मोठी होती आणि सेलिंग प्राइस छोटी, म्हणजे आपल्याला लॉस झाला असणार किती रुपयाचा, 10 रुपयाचा. तिसऱ्या केस मध्ये काय होतं, कॉस्ट प्राइस होती 700 आणि सेलिंग प्राइस होती 799. म्हणजे 700 रुपयाची तुम्ही वस्तू आणली आणि 799 रुपयाला विकली, म्हणजेच तुम्हाला काय झालं, प्रॉफिट झालं. किती झालं, 799 मायनस 700 म्हणजेच 99 रुपीज. चौथ्या केस मध्ये काय होतं, कॉस्ट प्राइस 1000 रुपीज आणि सेलिंग प्राइस 920. म्हणजे 1000 रुपयाला तुम्ही ती वस्तू आणली आणि दुकानातून ती वस्तू किती रुपयाला विकली, 920 रुपयाला. तर तुम्हाला किती रुपयाचा लॉस झाला असेल, लॉसच झाला असेल. आणि किती रुपयाचा लॉस झाला असेल, तर 80 रुपयाचा. क्वेश्चन सेकंड. अ शॉपकीपर बॉट अ बायसिकल फॉर ₹3000 अँड सोल्ड द सेम फॉर द ₹3400. हाऊ मच वॉज हिज प्रॉफिट. याचा अर्थ होतो एका शॉपकीपरनी बायसिकल आणली म्हणजे सायकल आणली 3000 रुपयाची आणि त्यांनी 3400 रुपयाची विकली, तर त्याला किती रुपये प्रॉफिट झालं असेल. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 3000, सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 3400 अँड वी नो दॅट प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस मायनस कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 3400 मायनस 3000 इज इक्वल टू ₹400. अ शॉपकीपर्स प्रॉफिट वॉज ₹400. Question third. Rahman bought a milk for ₹475. रहमाननी दूध विकत घेतलं 475 रुपयाचं. ही कन्वर्टेड इट इनटू योगर्ट आणि त्याने त्याचं रूपांतर कशात केलं, दह्यात. अँड सोल्ड इट फॉर 700 आणि त्याने ते सगळं दही 700 रुपयाला विकलं. हाऊ मच प्रॉफिट डीड ही मेक, तर त्याला किती रुपयाचं प्रॉफिट झालं असेल. सोल्युशन. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 475, सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 700, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 700 minus 475 is equal to 225. Therefore Rahman made a profit of ₹225. Question fourth. The Aliza Women Saving Group bought a raw material worth ₹15,000 for making a chaklis. 15,000 रुपयाचं तिनं रॉ मटेरियल घेतलं चकली बनवण्याकरता अलिजा वुमन सेव्हिंग ग्रुपनं. दे सोल्ड चकली फॉर 22,050 रुपीज. त्यांनी त्या सगळ्या बनवलेल्या चकल्या 22,050 रुपयात विकल्या. हाऊ मच प्रॉफिट डीड द अलिजा वुमन सेव्हिंग ग्रुप मेक. सोल्युशन. कास्ट प्राइस ऑफ द रॉ मटेरियल इज इक्वल टू 15,000. Selling price of the chaklis is equal to 22,050 rupees. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 22,050 minus 15,000 is equal to 7,050 rupees. The Aliza Women Saving Group made a profit of 7,050 rupees. Question fifth. Sahil bought 100 bunches of the methi greens for the ₹400. In a sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches on his handcraft got spoil. साहिलनं 100 मेथीच्या जुड्या विकत घेतल्या 400 रुपयात आणि नंतर त्याला माहित झालं त्यातल्या 30 मेथीच्या जुड्या म्हणजे 30 मेथीच्या गड्ड्या ह्या खराब आहेत. ही सोल्ड रेस्ट ॲट द रेट ऑफ ₹5 each. त्यानं प्रत्येक गड्डी 5 रुपयाची विकली उरलेली. डीड ही मेक द प्रॉफिट ऑर लॉस. त्याला प्रॉफिट होईल की लॉस होईल आणि किती होईल. सोल्युशन. कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द 100 bunches of the methi green is equal to 400 rupees. Since the 30 bunches got spoiled, remaining bunches of the methi green is equal to 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. Selling price of the one bunch of the methi green is equal to 5 rupees. Therefore selling price of the 70 bunches of methi green is equal to 5 into 70 is equal to 350. Cost price is greater than the selling price. Therefore Sahil suffered a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. 400 minus 350 is equal to 50 rupees. Therefore Sahil suffered a loss of ₹50. Question 6th. Ayan bought 1 quintal of onion for ₹2,000. Later he sold them all at the rate of 18 rupees per kg. Did he make a profit or incur a loss and how much was it? अयांनी 1 क्विंटल कांदे घेतले 2,000 रुपयाचे आणि 18 रुपये किलो प्रमाणे त्यांनी विकले ते कांदे. तर त्याला प्रॉफिट होईल की लॉस होईल आणि जे काही होईल प्रॉफिट होईल किंवा लॉस होईल तर ते किती होईल. कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द 1 क्विंटल ओनियन इज इक्वल टू 2,000 rupees. Selling price of the 1 kilo onion is equal to 18 rupees. Since 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg, selling price of the 1 quintal onion is equal to 18 into 100 is equal to 1,800 rupees. Cost price is greater than the selling price. Therefore Ayan suffered the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price is equal to 2,000 minus 1,800 is equal to 200 rupees. Therefore Ayan incurred a loss of 200 rupees. Question 7. Suwani bought a 25 sarees from the wholesale merchant for ₹10,000 and sold them at the 460 rupees each. How much profit did Suwani get in this transaction? Cost price of the 25 sarees is equal to 10,000. Selling price of the one saree is equal to 460. Selling price of the 25 sarees is equal to 460 into 25 is equal to 11,500. selling price is greater than the cost price, therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 11,500 minus 10,000 is equal to 1,500. Therefore Suhani made a profit of rupees 1,500. Class 6th Math Chapter 13 Profit Loss Practice Set 31 Index Question and Activities. Question first. Sahil and Suhani had set up a stall in a fun fair. Study the data given below and answer the question. Details of the Sahil's shopping for his stall. Vegetable is equal to 70 rupees, butter is equal to 25 rupees, bread is equal to 45 rupees, masala is equal to 14 rupees, miscellaneous is equal to 20 rupees. Therefore total, इथे तुम्हाला याची टोटल काढायची आहे, and the amount Sahil gain through his sale is rupees 160. आणि हे सुहानीचं. Solution. The total amount invested by Sahil is equal to 70 plus 25 plus 45 plus 14 plus 20 is equal to 174. Amount gain through sale is equal to 160 rupees. Therefore selling price is less than the invested price or cost price. Sahil incurred a loss in his pav bhaji business, hence he is disappointed. Total amount invested by Suhani is equal to 20 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 30 plus 50 plus 20 plus 60 is equal to 190 rupees. Amount gain by selling is equal to 230. Selling price is more than invested price. Therefore Suhani made a profit in her business, hence she is happy. Question 2. For the above example, if Suhani had bought the twice as much, would she have gained twice as much? What should Sahil do the next time he step up a stall to a sell more pav bhaji and make a more gains? Solution. If Suhani would have bought twice as much, she would have prepared double quantity of food item. Hence she would have gained twice as much. Next time Sahil sets a stall, he must sell pav bhaji at a higher cost than he had sold earlier in the order to make more gains. Pacific Coaching Classes near 6th class Math Chapter 13 Profit and Loss Practice Set 32 compiled by Abhishwar Vansali for the Pacific Coaching Classes near. Question first. From a wholesale, Santosh bought a 400 eggs for the rupees 1,500 and spent rupees 300 on a transport. 50 eggs fell down and broke. He sold the rest at rupees 5 each. Did he make a profit or loss, and how much? Solution. Cost price of the 400 eggs is equal to rupees 1,500. Transportation cost is equal to rupees 300. Total cost price of the 400 egg is equal to cost price of the 400 egg plus transportation cost is equal to 1,500 plus 300 is equal to 1,800. 50 eggs fell and broke. Remaining eggs is equal to 400 minus 50 is equal to 350. Selling price of the 1 egg is equal to 5 rupees. Selling price of the 350 eggs is equal to 5 into 350 is equal to 1,750. Total cost price is greater than the selling price. Santosh suffered a loss. Loss is equal to total cost price minus selling price. Total cost price 1,800 minus 1,750 is equal to 50 rupees. Therefore Santosh incurred a loss of rupees 50. Question second. Abraham bought a good worth rupees 50,000 and spent rupees 7,000 on transport and octroi. If he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or loss, and how much? Solution. Cost price of the goods is equal to 50,000. Transportation cost and octroi is equal to 7,000. Therefore total cost price for buying goods is equal to cost price of the goods plus transportation cost and octroi. 50,000 plus 7,000 is equal to 57,000. Selling price of the good is equal to 65,000. Therefore selling price is greater than the total cost price. Therefore Abraham made a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus total cost price. is equal to 65,000 minus 57,000 is equal to 8,000. Abraham made a profit of rupees 8,000. Question third. Ajit Kaur bought a 50 kg of a sack of a sugar for rupees 1,750, but as sugar prices fell, she had to sell it at a rupees 32 per kg. How much loss did she incur? Solution. Cost price of the 50 kg of sugar is equal to 1,750. Selling price of the 1 kg sugar is equal to 32 rupees. Therefore, selling price of the 50 kg sugar is equal to 50 into 32 is equal to 1,600. Loss is equal to total cost price minus selling price is equal to 1,750 minus 1,600 is equal to 150. Therefore, Ajit Kaur incurred a loss of rupees 150. Question fourth. Kusumtai bought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Transport cost her rupees 1,280. If she want a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price per cooker? Solution. Cost price of the 1 cooker is equal to 700. Cost price of the 80 cooker is equal to 700 into 80 is equal to 56,000. Transport cost is equal to 1,280 rupees. Total cost price is equal to cost price plus 80 cost price of the 80 cookers plus transportation cost is equal to 56,000 plus 1,280 is equal to 57,280. Profit. She required a profit 18,000. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus total cost price. Required selling price is equal to total cost price plus profit is equal to 57,280 plus 18,000 is equal to rupees 75,280. Selling price of the 80 cooker is equal to 75,280. Therefore, selling price of the 1 cooker is equal to 75,280 divided by 80 is equal to 941. Ha 80 आहे. The selling price per cooker should be rupees 941. Question 5th. Indrajit bought a 10 refrigerators at rupees 12,000 each and spent rupees 5,000 on transport. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make a profit of rupees 20,000? Solution. Cost price of the 1 refrigerator is equal to 12,000 rupees. Cost price of the 10 refrigerator is equal to 10 into 12,000 is equal to 1,20,000. Transportation cost is equal to 5,000. Total cost price of the 10 refrigerator is equal to cost price of the 10 refrigerator plus transportation cost is equal to 1,20,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 1,25,000. Profit. He required a profit of 20,000. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus total cost price. Therefore, required selling price is equal to total cost price plus profit is equal to 1,25,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 1,45,000. Selling price of the 10 refrigerator is equal to 1,45,000. Therefore, selling price of the 1 refrigerator is equal to 1,45,000 divided by 10 is equal to 14,500. Indrajit must sell each refrigerator at rupees 14,500 to make a profit of rupees 20,000. Question 6th. Lalita Bai sowed seed worth rupees 13,700 in her field. She had spent rupees 5,300 on fertilizers and spraying pesticide and rupees 7,160 on labor. If on selling her product she earned rupees 35,400, what was her profit or her loss? Solution. Cost price of the seed is equal to 13,700. Cost of fertilizer and pesticide is equal to 5,300. Labor cost is equal to 7,160. Therefore, total cost price is equal to cost price of the seed plus cost price of the fertilizer and pesticide plus labor cost is equal to 13,700 plus 5,300 plus 7,160 is equal to 26,160. Selling price is equal to 35,400. selling price is greater than the total cost price. Therefore, Lalita Bai made a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 35,400 minus 26,160 is equal to 9,240. Therefore, Lalita Bai made a profit of rupees 9,240. In this way, we complete the exercise.